soccer ball into a target. Important things to do is have your hips opened up towards the target, have your plant foot that's not kicking the ball aimed at the target, and use your dominant foot to kick the ball towards the target.
And we want to use the inside of our foot because we're just completing a short 10-yard pass. So this part in here, and we're going to take a step. Plant foot's going to point towards our target, which is that trash can. And then we're going to kick it with the inside part of our dominant foot, which for me is my right foot.
Yes. Oh. I missed.
Close. Ryan, do you remember what part of your foot you kicked the ball with?
Yes, I used my toe.
Alright, so do you remember in the demonstration which part of the foot I said to use?
The inside of the foot.
Alright, so we're going to practice again.
Okay.
But this time, I want you to focus on using the inside of your foot. So
Okay.
this one, remember what part of the foot are we going to use?
Inside.
Nice, and I want you to focus on your target when you go to kick it. Yeah! I'm going to implement variable practice into Anna's practice regimen. So for this aspect of variable practice, instead of having Anna kick the ball to a target from 10 yards away, we're only 5 yards away from the target. Okay, now we're practicing the skill from 15 yards away from the target. Nice! Okay, now for the last aspect of practice variability, we're going to have Anna take a couple dribbles and then pass the ball to the target from 10 yards away, but she's taking dribbles before she's completing the pass.
Target, we're going to use tractization and have you use your non-dominant foot to track at the target, and help you use your dominant foot to move around the middle. Alright? Now you'll use your dominant foot.
Okay, Anna, so now we're going to do what's called mental practice. So we're not actually practicing the task physically like we just did, but we're doing it mentally. So what I want you to do is I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to envision yourself with the ball at your feet like we practiced. And then I want you to envision yourself walking up, taking a step, and kicking the ball and hitting the target.